30 grams of green bell peppers, 30 grams of red bell peppers, one medium Spanish onion, two spring onion, 6 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, 20 grams of ginger, 2 medium eggplant, 450 grams approx, $250 grams of Silverside beef, to marinate the beef, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. Mix well. Once mixed, add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Give that a few stir to bind everything together. Set aside for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 50 ml water, stir until the cornstarch fully dissolves. Bring water to a boil, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and blanch our aubergine. Six to 8 minutes, or until most of it becomes translucent like so. Drain and set aside. 2 tablespoons of regular oil into a medium heat pan. Brown off our ginger. Once our ginger is brown enough and release its aroma, discard the ginger. With our marinated beef, cook the beef for another 40 seconds and set it aside. 2 tablespoons of oil into a medium heat pan. In with the rest of our garlic. Now in with the rest of our onion, red and green bell peppers. Stir that for about 30 seconds. In with our eggplant. Splash of Shaoxing wine. And return the beef. Add 1 teaspoon of Szechuan chili sauce, link below. Re-stir the sauce that we made earlier, and in with our sauce. In with the rest of the spring onion. Give that a few stir. Once the sauce is thickened, we are done.